Hey guys, on Down the Road Productions here, and we just stopped to take a few nostalgic pictures here at the Sinclair gas station near Dryden, Michigan. And I love buildings like this, right? So it's not a functioning gas station anymore, but wouldn't it be great to own something like this and turn it into a motorcycle shop? That's a dream of mine, so we're going to try to get there one day. It's got the Sinclair Dino clock, which I love, and the old Sinclair gasoline pump mount. So, boy, if this place could talk. And hey, the front of my truck, what happened? There you go. I gotta admit, there's got to be somebody restoring a Dodge truck that would love the chrome and the headlights for restoration. I don't know if they should leave that outside, but they do. So, there's Leonard's, great for a Coke and a pizza. But so here we are, and I'm going to get back on the rocket. I stopped and took a few great photographs, and I just love the old gas stations. All right, guys. Alright, people, good morning. So I hope everyone's doing well, and hey, here's your host with the most from On Down the Road Production. So hey man, Sunday morning I am riding to breakfast. So how's everyone doing this weekend? Looks like summer's finally getting here. This is just good view of downtown Rochester, all places I go to. It's nice to live this close to this stuff. Alright, well, welcome to this episode, and let's get into it. Hey guys, just made a left turn onto Orion Road with the Rocket 3 GT on my way to Lake Orion earlier today to grab breakfast. And this is where, riding this bike is such a pleasure. You can leave it in third gear for a lot of this road if you so desire, given the gearing of the bike, right? And then when you add that clutchless speed shifter, total nirvana. I mean, you don't even have to rip into the bike. Just using that speed shifter and going through a nice 2-lane road like this with a cool breeze, and just a really great feeling. So this is just me heading to Lake Orion, and it's a great road to ride if you're ever out this way in the Michigan area. Check it out. So we'll move on to breakfast now, and very cool stuff. Burning Down the Road.
What's that for?
Well, the channel's called On Down the Road Productions. On Down the Road Productions. So like, hey man, burning down the road. Makes sense, right? Like life. Yeah, like.
Is that a meaning towards that behind it? Or
Yeah, it's a metaphor. Yeah.
Just like a phrase that you say.
It's a positive metaphor to be burning down the road because you keep going, you never give up.
Okay.
You understand? So like, I'll see you burning down the road. That's a good thing. Because life's tough. Life can be tough.
Yeah, it can be.
Yeah. So the channel's On Down the Road Productions. You get it? So burning down the road.
My parents kind of already drew me into adulthood, so I was like, I have to get used to it.
So this is our first official trip here this year.
To Michigan.
No, to this to this diner. Yeah,
So
I
on
come.
the road.
Yeah.
You guys recording? It's his YouTube channel, so we're going to say hi really quick.
Say hello.
Hello.
So go ahead.
Burning down the road.
Burning down the road.
All right, thanks guys.
No problem.
Breakfast of Champions. Well, that was a good breakfast and some great kids working there. Hey, thanks for watching this episode. Hit like and subscribe. Keep pushing on, keep burning down the road. If you're a new sub, thank you so much from all of us here at On Down the Road Productions. We'll see you guys next episode on Down the Road.